Sawadika! Let me show you my favorite dish in Thailand. It was not pad thai, not mango sticky rice. It's this delicious Panang Curry. It's creamy, aromatic, and when paired with rice noodles, an absolute banger. The Thai cuisine is all about having your ingredients ready. Prep all your veggies and proteins. I'm using carrots, peppers, and green beans, but choose whatever veggies you like. As protein, I found this cool mock duck, but you can also just bake some tofu. Now, the curry paste. Well, if you can't find Panang Curry paste, I've got a hack for you. The main difference between red curry and Panang Curry paste are peanuts. So if you mix red curry paste with roasted peanuts, you just made your own Panang Curry paste. Wow. Hey, heat up some oil, add the curry paste, add the veggies, full-fat coconut milk, some water, vegan fish sauce or light soy sauce, pinch of sugar. This smells so good. And let that simmer. Once the tofu is baked, add it to the curry with some lime juice and stir it in.